Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dada Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming. And in this session number 48, we are going to learn how to format the date time into string according to our need. So let's start and then create a new program, new and create new file, date to string example. Choose the Ruby program. Okay, first of all, as we know that we are going to create a new time dot new class and object of the time dot new class and provide some values here, something like 2018 second month, and the date was 5th February, the Kashmir day. Puts time dot put time. Okay, now we will run this program and see what is happening here. Okay, you can see that it will show the values, but now if we want to change time dot time into according to our string according to our value required, so we will change into str dot strf time, and then we will place the values according to our need. So if we want to get the whole here, then percentage y in capital will help us to get the values in the full format. It means only the year will be displayed in the 4 digits if we will place the y here. You can see that year 2018, but if we will place small y, then it will display the year in only last 2 digits. Okay, similarly, if you want to display time weekday, sorry for that, then we use percentage a, run this program. Sorry, we are missing double quotes here. So it will reply us the weekday, it will be the Monday, and you can see that if we will use the percentage a in capital, then it will return us the day in full format. It means Monday, the full variable name. Similarly, if we will use the b here, it will represent the month, and you can see that it will show the month format here. It will be the month of the February. And similarly, if you will use the b capital, then it will return the February in the full format here, as you can see that. Similarly, if you want to use the percentage c, then there are a lot of different kinds of the formatting sections are available for us, and then you can see that it will give you the date in the format, something like this. Okay, date, and if you will use percentage d, then it will represent the date in this format. Okay, date is equal to 05. So guys, similarly, if we want to display the some methods of the time section here, time section, then what we will do, if we will use hour here, then use H sign here, percentage H. It will represent the hours here. It's a 00 hours, almost 12:42 here. Similarly, if we will use small h, then what will be the outcome here? You can see the small h representing the months here. So okay, if we want to use to display the minutes, then we will use percentage m here. Okay, you can see that the minutes are 00 here, and if we will use small m, then it will give us the month of the year. It will be the month of the year. Similarly, if we want to use put statements and times with AM or PM, then we need a P sign here to run this program. So you can see that the AM or PM is indicating. So these are the few string methods which can be used according to your requirements. The others are there are a lot of things. You can go to the web and search it out for the other things. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Allah Hafiz.